Welcome to this quick guide on how to exit and delete a WhatsApp community. If you're looking to leave a community and remove it from your WhatsApp, you've come to the right place. We'll walk you through the process step by step so you can easily manage your WhatsApp communities. Let's get started with the first step. Open your WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a tab labeled Communities. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you'll see a list of all the communities you're part of. Find the one you want to leave and delete. Tap on it to open the community page. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice 3 dots. This is the menu button. Tap on those 3 dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says Community Info. You're almost there. Scroll down through the community information until you reach the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find an option that says Exit Community. Tap on this button. WhatsApp will ask you to confirm your decision. You'll see 2 options: Exit and Delete. For our purpose, we want to completely remove the community from our WhatsApp, so tap on Exit and Delete. And there you have it. You've successfully exited and deleted the WhatsApp community. The community will no longer appear in your Communities tab, and you won't receive any more messages or updates from it. Remember, once you've exited and deleted a community, you can't undo this action. If you want to rejoin the community in the future, you'll need a new invite link from one of the community admins. Thanks for watching this guide on how to exit and delete a WhatsApp community. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Have a great day.